Hi, my name is Matt. I'm with Capell Flooring and Interiors here in Meridian, Idaho. So, who amongst you are familiar with these beauties? This is a little bit of a blast from the past. If you're old enough to know what these are, that's awesome. This is a carpet rake. Uh, Back when they had a lot of shag carpet, you would actually rake your carpet, and that was recommended. But one thing about carpet rakes is they're still quite useful. So if you look at this hallway here, it's really heavy traffic. And there's really no other way you can do that. And sometimes people are a little bit upset because the carpet starts to lay down or do different things, which is quite normal. I mean, at the end of the day, carpet is fabric, and this isn't too dissimilar. If you have a walking path in your yard, the grass is going to die. But carpet rakes actually are relatively inexpensive, and they still serve a function because we're going to have carpet here. It's going to have some issues, but periodically I take this rake, and what you can do is you just kind of pull the carpet up like this. And you just kind of work on it a little bit, all directions. And what's nice about it is it kind of loosens the fibers up, gets them back up, and then right after you rake, it's really good to vacuum immediately after. But there's really, it's not the carpet's fault that it's laying down here. It's a really heavy traffic situation, and these work great. So this carpet's a little bit longer, a little bit thicker, and you just kind of work on it like that, and then you vacuum. But it works really well. So if you need a link to one of these or recommendation, we can definitely give you one. But they work really well, and it's a good thing to have at your house if you have a heavy traffic area. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just ask me, and I try to respond to every question or comment. And have a wonderful day. Thanks.